See 23rd question of the exercise 6.5. Prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius capital R is 8 upon 27 times of the volume of a sphere. Which means we have to prove that volume of a cone equal to 8 upon 27 times of volume of a sphere. This we have to prove. So here it is given that largest cone is inscribed in the sphere of radius capital R. So we will draw first sphere of radius capital R. This is a sphere of radius capital R. And this is the largest cone which is inscribed in the sphere. Suppose h is the height, we will take h is the height of the cone, and the radius of the cone we will suppose smaller. Okay, and there is given the sphere of radius capital R. So it is, we are given here a sphere of center, a sphere with center O and radius capital R, and let radius and height of a cone be R and H respectively. So this will be, suppose it is A, B, C and this is M. So you know that AM equal to H, which means you can find OM because AO is also the capital R, radius of a sphere. So OM will be equal to AM minus OA. So it will be H minus capital R. This will be OM. And the radius of a base of a cone will be what? BM. That is given smaller. So in right angle triangle, which one? OBM. In right angle triangle OBM by Pythagoras theorem, we can write OB square means capital R square equal to OM square. OM is H minus capital R. H minus capital R square plus BM. BM will be what? R square. Means hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus B square. Okay. So this we will get. We will expand this. It will be capital R square equal to H square plus capital R square minus 2HR plus R square. So R square will be cancelled. Which means finally we got H square plus R square minus 2HR equal to 0. So from here we will find this will be smaller. This will be smaller. Radius of a BM square means what? Radius of a cone. This will be smaller. So this will not be cancelled. This R square will be cancelled. So what is left? H square plus small r square minus twice HR equal to 0. So R square you can find it from here. R square will be 2H capital R minus H square. Okay. Now volume of a cone equal to V equal to, we can write 1/3 pi R square H. Okay, which means V equal to we can substitute r square here. 1 upon 3 pi 2h capital R minus h square into h. That's why we find the value of r square. Why? Because r square we can find h also, but h it will find, so it will be in the square root. It will be difficult to differentiate. So what you do? You will find r square, because capital R is the constant. It is given. So always we have to write the term in the given form. So given is here radius of a sphere. So we try to bring the given form. Whatever is given, that we will. And we have converted this in the one variable now. This is constant and only h is given. This pi is also constant. Now differentiate, or we can simplify again. Pi by 3. This will be 2h square capital R minus, this is h cube. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to h. So dv upon dh will be what? Pi by 3 constant. This will be 4h capital R minus 3h square. This will. Okay. Again second order derivative also will find. D square v upon dh square equal to pi by 3 will be constant. This is 4r minus, it will be 3 to the 6h. This we will require. This is equation 1 and this will be equation 2. Now we will find the value of h from by substituting dv upon dh in equation. This is equation 2 and this will be equation 3. So from equation 2, we can write dv upon dh equal to 0. So which means pi by 3 bracket of 4h capital R minus 3h square equal to 0. Which means we can write it 4h capital R minus 3h square equal to 0. Because pi by 3 equal to 0 as well as this bracket equal to 0. So we will compare the bracket with the 0. So you can get the value of h. It will be 4h capital R equal to 3h square. Okay. So 1h will be cancelled, which means we will get h is equal to 4r upon 3. Now you can substitute your value of h in second order derivative. So you will get the volume. It will be largest, means maximum we have to. You should get the negative value after substituting. So from equation 3 we will get d square v upon dx square equal to dh square equal to pi by 3. This will be 4r as it is minus 6 into 4r upon 6 into 4r upon 3. So 3 to the 6, which means we got d square v upon dh square equal to pi by 3, and this will be 4r minus 2 for the 8r. So it will be negative, which means d square v upon dh square will be minus 4r minus capital 4r minus 8r, it will be minus 4r into pi by 3. So d square v upon dh square we got less than 0, which means we can write volume will be maximum, because you got negative, so opposite we will take. So maximum at h is equal to 4r upon 3. Now this we can substitute in the value in the this question. First we will find the r square. R square will be what? S square. We here also we will substitute. So from equation 1 we will find r square equal to, because here we have to substitute r square and h. That's why r square we are finding 2 into H will be this. H will be 4R upon 3 into capital R. Okay, 2 into 4R upon 3 into capital R minus this will be square, means 16R square upon 3. Okay, so you will get R square equal to 4 2s are 8, R square upon 3 minus 16 R square upon 3. So you will get here R square 2 into 4R, 2 4 the 8, and this will be 9. 3 3s are 9 will be. So LCM will be 9. R square will be 9. This is 3 8s are 24 R square minus 16 R square. Okay, so which means we will get here 8 R square upon 9. 8 R square upon 9. That will be R square. So volume of a cone. Volume of a cone V equal to 1 upon 3 pi into R square. We got 8 R square upon 9 into H. H will be 4R upon 3. Which means we got here V equal to we have to find 8 upon 27 time. Okay, volume of a sphere. So volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so it will be 1 upon 3 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 8 upon 9 will be as it is into this 8 upon 9 into 1 upon 3 we wrote, pi we will write with this, into what is left 4 upon 3 and r square and r, it will be r cube, and this is pi, means pi r cube. So this will be volume of a, so volume will be 8 1s are 8 upon 9 3s are 27 times volume of a sphere. This will be volume of a sphere. Okay, so this is the proof.